Good morning, students. My name is M. Harish, English School Assistant, Chintapalli, Kuravi. Today, I'll teach you 10th class 3rd unit. Lesson name is Human Relations. In this lesson, I will teach you face sheet. What is the face sheet? Face sheet is nothing but giving the information upcoming lesson. If we understood face sheet, we will easily understand the upcoming lesson. So, going face sheet, the meanings are there. I wrote on the board except first. Except is nothing but few lines from the book. For example, a diary is there. I am taking out and talking or reading a 5 lines. That is called except. Plight. Plight is nothing but a situation which is bad or sorrow or a difficult situation. Neglect. Not taking care somebody or something. Showing the unlikeliness. Respond. Respond is nothing but giving reply. Okay, these are the meanings. Now I will show you the face sheet. You watch them carefully. Once we talk what are the things in this picture we are watching. Here a old man sitting lonely and few children are playing. These are the farmers going to the farm. These men talking and sat on a stone. So it looks like a village background, village area. So you understood one thing. These all are they are busy in their works, except this old man. He was sitting lonely and watching them. He wants to say something, but nobody taking care of him. He was sad. He was in sorrow situation. He was in sad situation. So this is a except from that old man diary he wrote at the age of 70 years. A 5 lines taken from a diary. I'll read. As I sit here alone and waiting, I gaze at people passing me by. I try to smile and reach out to them, but no one notices. No one waits. They look to me like I am nothing. Are they afraid to be saying hi to an old man like me? So this is the excerpt from that diary. After watching and listening the excerpt, 3 questions are there. You should give answer. You think what are the reasons and what is the answers. What is the excerpt about? First question. Second question. How do people respond to the old man plight? How should people how should old people be treated so that they do not feel neglected? So these are the 3 questions. First one, what is the accept from? It is a accept from old man's feeling. He was not happy. He was feeling and being isolated. He was always he wanted to talk with others. He wanted to meet with others, but nobody taking care of him. Here you see everybody they are busy in their works. But what was the position of this old man? He was not in good position. Why? Because he was isolated. He was alone. Why? Because he has no means his wife or sons, daughters, nobody take caring of him. So he was feeling he wanted to talk with others every day, even today. He want to go to the people, but nobody not taking care of them. What was the reason? Maybe what are the other people thinking? They are thinking that old man, they are nothing. It means we do not get from them when they became old. It means they do not give us, they do not help us. Instead of that, we should serve them, we should bear their problems, we should give them money. It is a people feeling additional burden. Why? Because we should think first. Actually, we came from them only. They are our parents. Nowadays so many parents are neglecting. Why? Because when the children they grown up, they got marriage. After that they neglecting their parents. They are not looking, means they are not giving money, they are not giving food, anything. Instead of loving them, they are cursing, they are scolding them. The old man people feeling very sad. Why? Because they are feeling what wrong we did. Actually, we gave birth to our children, they are not taking care. What was this plight? We are in bad situation. Like this old man was feeling. So what should we do? When we grown up, we should not left, we should not forget our parents. It is our responsibility. We should love them. We should give our time to spend with them, and always we should be with them only. Then they will be happy, they lead a peaceful life at the last minutes or at the last time. So students, always don't neglect your parents, and also your some people means grandmother, grandfathers in your houses will be there. So you love them and don't scold them. When they ask you some help, you should do help them. Then only their life will be happily. It means the whole picture showing about the relations between us and our elders. So students, keep maintain good relations and don't neglect your parents. Thank you.